So now we're gonna start on the main quest, and we're gonna do 1 through 7. But we're really gonna try not to use any of our power-ups until we really need them. So this one's a bit tricky. Ah. And there we go. So this one, I just want to try to hit that rock. So this might. Ooh, there we go. So we wasted a power up there as well. Here we go. Ah, I missed. We're gonna need another one. There we go. 1, 5. Nope. We might need to do a few tries on this one. Yeah. Ooh, we might get it. Ooh, we just missed. Retry. So we're gonna aim. A little up. Ugh. That's such a bad spot. So first level and it's 1-5 and we are. There we go. Try to knock that down. Okay, I don't care. And there we go. We got the stars to unlock it. So this is 1-6. Boom. Gonna do the same for that one. Will we miss it? Little angle up. We missed it somehow. We're gonna have to try again. First one's real easy to get. We'll come back to you. We need to kill that one. And there we go. And this is 1-7. We're gonna aim right there in the middle. We're just gonna keep going that way. Oh, there we go. That's a good one. Come on, fall down. Boom. Okay. And then 2 more levels. So we're going to try to. Now this is a tricky shot. We want to get in there. So, yeah, but now it should be easy. We can just. Maybe easy. This might not kill it. No. So we're definitely trying to take our upper part. Get everything to drop in. Oh, look at that. Much better. That might be 3. Yeah, it is. Not bad. On to the next level. This one's easy. You just need to hit the ice. Go at the rocks again. Well, we'll just try to mainly kill them. But we're gonna need to get lucky. Boom. We need to restart that. So, I don't think the key Let's do that. Now we need to well, not do that. Try to get them to fall the other way. We're gonna have to restart. Take out the ones in the back. Take out a few like that. Now we can just do these last. Come on. Come on. Come on. There we go. Easy.